Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and earning money without needing an office, a laptop, or a boss breathing down your neck. Sounds impossible, right? But millions of people around the world are already doing it. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can start to. Welcome to this video, where we break down how to make real money online using nothing but your smartphone. No experience needed, no big investment, just smart methods and consistency. Let's begin with one of the easiest and most reliable ways: freelance microtasks. Apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer simple services directly from your phone. Logo ideas, short video edits, content writing, voice notes, transcription, or social media captions. Even beginners can start with small tasks, build ratings, and slowly increase their prices. Another powerful method is content creation. You don't need a studio. Your phone camera is enough. You can make short-form videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. People earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The secret: pick a niche you enjoy: finance, motivation, cooking, tech, or reviews, and post consistently. Your phone becomes your business tool. Next is online tutoring and skill teaching. If you know English, maths, Urdu, science, or even basic editing, apps like Cambly, Preply, or local tutoring platforms let you teach from your phone. Students join your calls, and you get paid per hour. It's one of the fastest ways to earn online. Now let's talk about selling digital products, one of the smartest ways to make passive income. You can create simple digital files like planners, templates, wallpapers, or ebooks directly on your phone using Canva. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Facebook Marketplace. Create once, earn again and again. Another method is affiliate marketing, promoting products using special links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can share links through WhatsApp status, Instagram stories, TikTok videos, or a simple Telegram group. No investment, no customer service, just smart promotion. Finally, if you want long-term income, learn a skill using your phone: graphic design, video editing, copywriting, coding basics. You can learn all of these for free on YouTube. A strong skill can turn your phone into a full-time earning machine. Always remember this: your phone is either your biggest distraction or your biggest opportunity. The difference is how you use it. If you're ready to take control of your future, start today. Start small, start messy, but just start, because your online income journey begins the moment you decide to take action.